In this video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp Business if it's not opening on your phone. The first thing you want to do is restart your phone. A simple reboot can fix temporary glitches that prevent the app from launching. Now, if the app still does not open, then you want to long press on the WhatsApp Business app, then tap on the app info icon. Go to settings. Here, tap on the force stop option, then tap on OK. Next, tap on storage, then tap on clear cache. You can also tap on clear data option. Now, try to launch open WhatsApp Business again and check if that fixes your issue. If it does not, then you want to update the application to the latest version. For that, launch open Play Store or App Store. Then tap on the search bar and here search WhatsApp Business. Now tap on the update option. Once the application has been updated, launch it open and check if that fixes your issue. If it does not, then the last thing you can do is uninstall and reinstall the application. For that, tap on the uninstall option. After it has been uninstalled, reinstall it again. Now open it and try to check if the issue has been fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.